Hello, I'm Monalisha Baruah. I'm BA in education. I'm working as an assistant teacher in lower primary school for 8 years, and it was a great experience. I belong to Golaghat district. It is a historical place. There are lots of rock monuments and also the world famous national heritage Kaziranga National Park is also here. The fourth oil refinery of Assam NRL is also situated in our district. My school name is Baruah LP School. It is under central block of Golaghat district. It is situated in a rural area. Some students' parents are illiterate, and it is the weakness of our school. And the strong point is the community support. I'm working as an assistant teacher in different lower primary school of my district, and I faced a common problem in every school that the students of government school have problems in learning the English subject. They can read but cannot write or speak easily. Some students can read or write, but most of the students cannot read or write. After having ZIIEI training, I learned how can I improve my students' English learning without investing any money. IP training session. In that session, I understood that I need to engage my students in an experiential learning to make a better learning outcome in my classroom. I received a lot of benefits in the training sessions. In the sessions, I understood that there are so many innovative ideas, or I can say that there are so many innovative ideas in my mind which I want to implement in my classroom. But I did not know the way how can I implement those innovative ideas in my classroom. So my trainer Rohit Bara helped me a lot to implement those innovative ideas in my classroom. To make easy English learning and to enhance my students' speaking skill, I adopted some strategies of zero cost, which are: number one, taking an object. Every day I taking an object to my classroom and ask my student to say at least 2 or 3 words or 2 or 3 sentences, simple sentences related to this object. Number two, different games like role play, throwing the ball game, or side water game. I adopt these games to learn English in an easy way. For example, in the role play game, I help them to learn different polite expressions. And in the throwing ball game, I help them to learn the different action words. In the third, I developed a game which I name as Go See, Thumb Right. In this game, I ask my students to go outside the classroom and see around them. I give 5 or 10 minutes to them and ask them to see around them what are the objects they seen. And after 5 or 10 minutes, they come to the classroom and they start to write what they see. Through this game, their observation power is also increasing. They learn how to observe things, and also their memory power is also increased. Through this game, they enjoyed very much, and they are also able to know different names of things. In the fourth, practice regularly. Simple sentences, simple commands, day-to-day conversation, self-introduction, etc. I regularly interact with them. Through the IP training, I learned about the roll call idea, in which students have to say a word instead of yes sir or yes ma'am. I modified this idea in a way that throughout the year, my students are able to know different things' names and write the names easily. For example, in the month of January for class 1 and 2, I help my students to learn 10 flowers' name. In the roll call time, they have to say the word, and after that, they have to write it for 5 times in their copies. By doing this, they are able to memorize the word and can write the word easily. So, I strongly say that this activity can help other schools, and I also say strongly to be chosen my school as a role model school which can inspire other schools in the country. At last, I would like to thank Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Parivartan for giving me this opportunity to represent my school at national level. Thank you, and please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.